Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sammy Jayne. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this video. Today I am working on Sarah and I'm using these long clear stiletto tips. You can get these on the website. I will try and leave some links for you all. But yes, I'm doing a nice long pointy stiletto set today. I am using the Mia Secret colours. I'm using these two from the Sweet collection and then one blueberry from the Fruity collection. They're like quite icy colours, so this is kind of like an icy, mermaidy kind of like jam, if you want to call it that. That's what I'm going to probably call it, so yeah. And yes, I am going in with the blueberry, the darker blue, which is from the Fruity collection. You can get the Fruity collection on my website. You can also get the Sweet collection on the website. I will leave links for everything on screen somewhere. So yes, I'm going in first with the darker blue and then with the lighter blue, and I will just let you guys watch. I'm kind of ombreing these together, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I will be going over, I think, with some glitter. But I do find these really easy to ombre anyway, so yeah, I love these colours so much. So this next one is going to be a marble nail. I'm going to be using all the colours here, so I'm basically just popping the colours on really wet, and then I'm going to just swish them together and make a nice marbly effect. You guys have seen this done very many times before, usually probably by other people a little bit better than me. But yeah, I'm loving marble. I just love the way that it looks, and I'm practicing and practicing and practicing. As you'll probably notice, I do leave the tips of all these nails see-through. I really love glass nails, so that is why I love the clear base tips, so that you can get like a nice see-through look if you so wish. So that's what I'm doing with pretty much all of these nails. I'm just leaving them a little bit like glass-like on the end. So with this one here, I'm coming in with a purple and I'm just gonna ombre it down. As you can see, the Sweets collection, they are so glittery and shimmery. I just love them so much. So I'm going to fade this one down into the shimmery light blue. And this is just kind of like a bit of an ombre nail. These colours really are just so easy to blend together an ombre. I'm not the best at doing like ombres, but these definitely I find really easy to work with. It could be because of the shimmer maybe, I don't know, but they're just so easy to work with. So again, I'm coming on with another marble nail. For some reason with this one, I decided to like dip my brush in a few times. I think for me, that way doesn't work that well. I end up mushing the colours together too much. It does seem to be working better to blob one on, blob one on, blob one on like that. I don't know why. Everybody does it differently, but yeah, that's just the way that it seems to be working a little bit better for me. And yeah, that's what I'm going with, I guess. So again, as you can see, this is another marble nail because I love my marble. And now it's time to add some glitter. So I'm using this blue glitter that I have here, and I'm using my Mia Secret clear acrylic to apply this. And I'm just going to go in and do a little bit of something different on each nail and just add some of this blue glitter. So I will just let you guys watch as I add the glitter, and then I will be back. So yeah, I added the glitter really randomly, just all in different places on the nails. And yeah, I really like the way that it ended up looking. And yeah, I'm loving glitter, 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 glitter. So it's then time to cap the nails, and I'm just using obviously my Mia Secret Clear to do this. What I decided to do with this then was, I've sped it up a lot, but I've kept it all in so you can properly watch it. I might go out of shot slightly, and sometimes my hand's in the way, but I just want you guys to kind of see the way that I'm doing it. And obviously, if anybody does have any tips, I do love a good tip every now and then. These are the longer nails are the ones that I struggle with the most when it comes to capping, so yeah. if anybody does have any tips, you can at least see what I'm doing, the way that I'm doing it, and you can let me know what I'm doing wrong. And yeah, but I just thought I would try and speed it up a bit but keep it all in, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch the capping. I then come in with my Mia Secret 8080 file and just file the nail, regular way basically, side walls, cuticle area, contour over all of the nail, shape it, make sure it's all, you know, basically nice and as smooth as I can get it really. I then go in with a buffing block and give that a really good buff over and smooth out any of those scratches and get it as smooth as I can. And I also do wipe over with a little bit of acetone just to smooth it out further because I like a nice smooth nail, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm going to go in with my Colour Couture clear top coat and I'm going to go over all the nails, and this is the best part obviously because we get to see that glitter. Once I've got them all covered, I then went in and gave it a good cure, and I wiped off that sticky layer, and yes, this is the finished result. I really hope that you guys like this video. I like doing my longer nails. I'm trying to do a mixture of shapes and lengths. So yeah, I'm trying to do a mixture as much as I can. But let me know what you think about this set, guys. I think they're really, really pretty. I really like the marble, and I think the colours go together so, so well. If you've got any of the Mia Secret colours, please let me know your opinions on them. I absolutely love them so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye!